Hi everybody, I'm Jeff and this is Jeff's Woodcarving channel. Well, I'm done with the Roger Stiegel rough out, Stache. I got him all painted and he's varnished and he's done. So I've got some tips for you. Well, one, you notice his shoes, his boots, and his vest, that color. I got that color. You can make a leather look with it, and that color I got from Folk Art, and it's asphaltum. You want to close in up on that? It's called asphaltum, and it makes a real nice, like leather look color. Now, for varnishing it, this time I brush coated. I used Minwax clear satin polyurethane, and I put one coat of wax on it, or varnish on it. And here's a sanding tip. So when you get all done with the varnishing, you find that maybe the finish is kind of rough. This is a sanding tip. Just find a brown paper bag, rip off a chunk like this, wad it up, and you can do a final sand job over the entire wood carving. And this will polish it up just as smooth as glass. It won't remove any of your paint, it won't harm it at all. Just rub it until it all smooths out. Now, I had like a little sandpaper finish on this when I put the last coat of varnish on. And instead of using steel wool or any of that stuff, which could damage your carving, just brown paper. This acts like a superfine sandpaper. It removes all of that rough finish. Well, that's the tip on how to sand your wood carving when it's finished. Anyway, I'll see you on my next video.